Hi everyone! Today, I'll show you how to make a delicious Italian-style shrimp and vegetable baked omelette. Prepare the ingredients mentioned above. Marinate shrimp in Soeos, black pepper, and pink salt for 10 minutes. Chop onion, slice mushrooms, have cherry tomatoes. Add 1 TBSP Soeos pink salt and 1 TBSP black pepper. Mix evenly. Heat oil and sauté chopped onions until translucent. Add shrimp and cook until they change color. Then add mushrooms and cherry tomatoes. Cook until the juices are released. Add 1.5 TBSP of Soeos pink salt. Add spinach leaves and stir-fry evenly. Pour in the egg mixture. Top with mozzarella, cover, and cook 5 more minutes on low. Finally, sprinkle with chopped parsley and enjoy your meal. Hope you like this recipe. Give it a try. Don't forget to like and follow for more delicious recipes.